So this is a multifunctional agriculture robot. Multifunctional agriculture robot. It works in multifunctional aspects and multidisciplinary aspects. So what we have done here is this is the post-harvest technology. So it will be used for land clearing purposes. So what happens is that after harvesting purposes, the chaff of the plant will be waste and we have to clear that for the next crop production. So using this mechanism we'll be clearing the land, and after that we have a robotic arm here. Using this robotic arm we'll be doing both harvesting and weeding as well as at the same time. So how we'll differentiate both is by using image processing method, as this robotic arm has 5 degrees of freedom. Using image processing and ESP32 camera module, we'll be differentiating both the weed and the crop. When a weed is identified, this gripper goes and does the intricate weeding, so that after picking up the weed it will be dropped into the soil itself. Due to the exposure from sunlight, it will become as a manure to the soil itself. Then after that we have this crank lever shaft mechanism. So this will be used for both sowing and manuring purposes. So if for sowing, this will be done, to and fro motion will be done in this crank lever shaft mechanism. So the both rows of the will be covered for the sowing purposes. If it is used for manuring purposes, it will be fixed at constant row space, and the manure will be put here and it will be dropped into near the roots of the plants. So this is a multifunctional agriculture robot, and the main objective here is to suit Indian farming standards, because a 45 HP tractor almost costs 8 to 20 lakhs. Buying such a costly, expensive model for Indian farming standards, it has to run for about 45,000 hectares. It is in its full lifetime. But for an Indian, we don't have such big lands, so we are trying to minimize the size and weight of the tractor and bring it into a small model. Thus, there is no compromise in the efficiency also.